Hi friend, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car Bubbles. Welcome to my channel. Yes, we are going to make a unicorn. Alright Bubbles, let's go! We will start by making the unicorn's face in the center of the canvas. You can keep your canvas in a diamond shape or you can even keep it in a square shape. Let's make it properly. You can also make another cartoon if you wish to. Let's make a dark drawing with our pencil first. We will start with the face, then the ears, then the horn, and finally the hair of the unicorn. Once we are done with that, we will choose two colors for the background. Well, I have chosen my favorite colors, which are pink and yellow. Remember, on a canvas, you always have to use either fabric colors or acrylic colors. Why don't we make these lines and then start painting? Also, take a paintbrush which is thick and you're comfortable with. Hold your brush like a pencil and start moving it in one direction. You can also touch the lines of your pencil and start painting first. This is known as outlining your drawing. We will complete all the parts with pink first. If you notice, we are following a pattern here. The pattern is do one with pink, then leave a white space in the middle, then do another pink and then leave a white space in the middle. This is called coloring alternate lines. I am so excited to do this painting. Let's finish all the lines first and after that we will start with yellow color. Make sure you take a different brush for this color. Do not use the same brush for two different colors. We have colored this properly. Now let's move on to the next line. We will fill all the white spaces. I'm sure this is going to look lovely. Let's complete all the 4 lines with yellow color. Make sure that you do not go inside the unicorn drawing. Yes, we are done with the tip as well. If you want to make it a little darker, then you can do a second coat on top of the canvas. But before that, why don't you let the color dry a little? The second coat of the paint will make it look darker. This looks so colorful. I am so excited to do this. Now, let's start applying glue on the horn and on the hair of the unicorn. Well, we will put it on top of the hair completely. If you wish to, you can take another paintbrush which is a little thin and then smudge the entire glue. Once we are done smudging it properly, we are going to take our glitter. Yes, you can take powdered glitter of whichever color you like. This is the best part. We sprinkle a lot of glitter on top of the glued area. And then, why don't we dab it with our finger? This is to make the glitter settle on top of the glued area. Why don't we take a tissue paper and make our canvas upside down? And look, the glitter is stuck. Let's get rid of the excess glitter which is outside the drawing. You can use a paintbrush for the same. Now, it's time to sketch the entire drawing. Let's start sketching it with our black sketch pen. You can also take a permanent marker for the same. Wow, this unicorn drawing looks so attractive and shimmery. Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Stay tuned for our next video.